Good morning, Rahul.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Wake up now.
Okay, Mom.
Pooja, wake up.
5 more minutes.
No, get up now.
Okay, Mom.
Tea is ready.
Thank you.
Mom, I want milk.
Okay. Here is your milk.
Thank you, Mom. Mom, what is for breakfast?
Bread and eggs.
Sounds good.
Rahul, how is school?
School is good.
What did you learn yesterday?
I learned English grammar.
Pooja, do your homework today.
Yes, Mom.
Eat your breakfast fast.
Okay, Dad.
Rahul, where is your bag?
It is in my room.
Pooja, wear your shoes.
I cannot find them.
Look under the bed.
Oh yes, here they are.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Me too.
Take your lunch box.
Okay.
Do not forget your water bottle.
Thank you, Mom.
Study well.
Yes, Dad. Bye, Mom.
Bye. Take care. Welcome home.
Hi, Mom.
How was your day?
It was good.
Pooja, are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I did.
What did the teacher say today?
The teacher gave homework.
Is it difficult?
No, it is easy. I got good marks today.
Very good.
I am proud of you.
Thank you.
Do you want tea or juice?
I want tea.
I want juice.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Rahul, help your sister.
Okay.
How is your English practice?
It is improving.
Speak English every day.
I will try. I also want to learn English.
Very good. Practice daily.
What do you want for dinner?
I want rice and curry. I want noodles.
I like homemade food.
Dinner will be ready soon.
What is the plan for Sunday?
Let us go to the park. Yes, good idea.
We can also visit Grandma.
That sounds nice.
Dinner is ready.
Come and eat.
The food smells good.
Thank you.
Mom, this is tasty.
I am happy you like it.
Pass me the water, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Rahul, clean the table.
Okay, Mom.
Pooja, wash your hands.
Okay.
Tomorrow is Monday.
Yes, I know.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
Brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom.
Set your alarm.
Done.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night, Mom and Dad. Sweet dreams.
Sleep well.
Good night.